Imagine turning any photo on your phone into a beautiful DIY art kit, one you can print, gift, or even sell for profit, all in under 60 seconds. No Photoshop, no tech skills, no crafting. In this video, I'm showing you how LineArt Studio AI lets you create unlimited printable art kits and how you can start selling them today, even if you've never made a single design before. Let's jump right in. Quick verdict: LineArt Studio AI is the simplest photo to profit tool I've tested this year. It's fast, browser-based, and ridiculously beginner-friendly. You upload a photo, and it spits out a ready-to-print craft kit that people actually want to buy. Whether you're into Etsy, digital downloads, or just unique gifts, this one's a gem. So what exactly is LineArt Studio AI? It's a 100% browser-based tool that converts any photo, like your pet, a couple, or a family picture, into a professional printable art kit. You can choose between line art kits or string art kits, black and white, color, simple, or detailed. The tool generates a full PDF craft kit with a mockup, supply list, and step-by-step instructions. You can sell the PDF as a digital product, gift it, or make the final art piece yourself. It's built for anyone, from total beginners to side hustlers looking for a creative income stream. And yes, you get commercial rights to sell unlimited kits during launch. All right, let me show you how it works. When you log in, you'll see a clean, simple dashboard. No setup, no installation. Step 1. Click Upload Photo. Choose any image, say a pet portrait or wedding photo. Step 2. Pick your style, line art or string art. Then choose monochrome or color. Step 3. Adjust the detail level, and boom, your preview appears instantly. Once you're happy, click Export, and you'll instantly get a printable PDF kit that includes your preview artwork, step-by-step instructions, materials list, and a ready-to-sell product file. You can sell it as is, gift it, or print it yourself for framing. The best part, it works on any device, even mobile, and there are no monthly fees. Now, let's talk upgrades. All optional, but incredibly powerful. OTO1, the marketing kit, gives you 8 themed packs like pets, weddings, holidays, and more. Includes Canva templates, ad copy, and email swipes. Perfect if you want to sell faster. OTO2, Craft Maker Suite, unlocks 3 more creative tools: a cross-stitch maker, paper cut portrait builder, and a color by numbers kit. Basically, 3 new income streams in one upgrade. OTO3, White Label License, for serious marketers or agencies who want to rebrand and sell the software as their own. Pricing ranges from $17 to $197 depending on which upgrade you choose, but all come with 50% commissions for affiliates and commercial licenses for buyers. And to make this even sweeter, when you grab LineArt Studio AI using the link below, you'll unlock my exclusive 10 bonus stack worth over $2,000. These are tools and trainings that help you market, sell, and automate your ArtKit business faster. Here's what's inside. WP Slideshow Master. Showcase your art kits beautifully on your website. WP Swift Page Plugin. Instantly boost site speed for higher sales. Lead Book Generator. Auto-collect leads from Facebook and grow your buyers list. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdowns to your offers and boost urgency. Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A 6-part course on scaling affiliate income. Soci Ultima. Automate your social media marketing across multiple platforms. WP Profit Page Creator. Build high-converting pages for your craft kits fast. Promo Video Secrets. Learn to create short viral videos to market your kits. Viral Growth Training. Master how to make your crafts go viral with social sharing. PowerList Pro. Add entry and exit pop-ups to grow your email list on autopilot. These bonuses are designed to give you everything you need, from traffic and marketing to conversions and automation, all in one bundle. But they're only available for the first 25 buyers or until the launch ends. Click the link below to secure your copy now and get all bonuses instantly delivered inside your Warrior Plus account. So here's my final take. LineArt Studio AI is more than a fun tool. It's a complete creative income system. You can make unlimited printable art kits, sell them online, gift them, or even host craft night events. No skills, no subscription, just upload, click, and profit. It's beginner-friendly, fast, and profitable. But remember, this is a dime sale, which means the price increases with every purchase. Plus, my bonus bundle disappears in less than 48 hours. So don't miss out. Hit the link below, grab your copy now, and start creating your first sellable art kit today. That's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of tools that actually make you money. Remember, the discount and bonus bundle are time limited, so click the first link in the description to lock in your copy before the price goes up. Once you've purchased, your bonuses will be automatically delivered inside your Warrior Plus dashboard under the affiliate bonus section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside Line Art Studio AI.